How to hide Instagram chat without deleting it. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide Instagram chat without deleting an iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to convert your personal account into a professional account. To do so, you're going to head over to your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right. And then you're going to click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. Once you do so, you'll be taken over to settings and activity. You're going to scroll down, keep on scrolling down till you find the option of account type and tools. Click on account type and tools. And over here, you'll be able to see the option that says switch to professional account. Simply click on that. And here, you're going to click on next. Simply select any of the categories, it doesn't matter which. Click on switch to professional account. And then you can either select between creator or business. I'm going to click on creator, click on next. And now you can see that your account has been converted into a professional account. Now head over to your chats. You can see these are my chats. Now, if you have multiple chats and you wish to hide them from the primary section but not delete them, what you got to do is simply scroll the chat to the left and you'll be able to see the folder icon with an arrow. So simply click on it. And now you can see that the chat has been removed from the primary section. Now, if you wish to retrieve the chat back, simply head over to General. And here is the chat. Now simply scroll to the left again. This time there's a folder icon with an arrow to the left. Simply click on it, go to primary, and now you can see that the chat has returned to primary. So that is basically how you can hide Instagram chat without deleting an iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.